Let's learn how you can add a picture after posting on Instagram. So if you want to add more pictures to the one you already posted, you can do that. That option doesn't exist on Instagram and it's impossible to do that. What you can do, for example, if you open our Instagram application and go to some pictures that we posted on our profile, only thing you can do is to delete this picture you posted already here. So you'll have to click on three dots and go scroll down and click on delete, and then post a new post with multiple pictures. You can't edit this one. For example, if you go edit, you can see that there isn't option to post new picture, just to tag people and edit old text. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.